Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about quadratic functions. So let's get started. The parent function for a quadratic function is y equals x squared. And this is how you graph it. Vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. The equation we will be using is y equals 2 times x minus 2 squared plus 3. H is a horizontal shift and K is a vertical shift. Knowing this, we would shift horizontally 2 units and shift up 3 units. And this is what it would look like on a graph. If we add a negative in front of the 2, then there would be a reflection on the x-axis because there is a negative in front of the A. So the graph would look like this and concave down. In this equation, we need to find the vertex. The vertex is hk, so the vertex is 2, 3. We also need to find the axis of symmetry, which is x equals h, so it would be x equals 2. Now we need to find the concavity. If a is greater than 0, it means it's going to concave up. And if a is less than 0, it means it's going to concave down. In this case, a equals 2, so a is greater than 0, which means that it is a concave up. Next, we need to find the minimum or maximum value. The minimum value is a is greater than 0, and the maximum value is a is less than 0. This means our equation has a minimum value of the coordinates 2, 3. The domain is always all real numbers for vertex form in all quadratic equations. Lastly, the range depends on whether y is greater than or equal to k, or if y is less than or equal to k. So y in our equation is greater than and equal to 3. Now we are going to convert this equation from vertex form to standard form. The equation is y equals 2 times x minus 2 squared plus 3. From here you use FOIL, so then you get y equals 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 3. Next you would multiply, leaving you with y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 8 plus 3. You add the like terms, leaving you with y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 11, which is in complete standard form. Now we are going to find the vertex from standard form. From this equation, we need to find h. To find h, you must use the formula h equals negative b over 2a. You plug in the numbers from our equation, and you get h is equal to 8 over 2 times 2. Simplify it to 8 over 4, and h equals 2. Now we need to find k. To do this, you plug in the h value into the x values of the equation, so it would be 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 11. Simplify it to 2 times 4 minus 16 plus 11. Simplify again, 8 minus 16 plus 11. Simplify one last time to give you k equals 3. So your vertex is hk, which means it is 2, 3.